Good day, guys. Welcome back to another episode. So I'm out here filming videos. An order just shows up. I open the box up, super excited. I'm like, wait a minute, I need to get my camera set up and we need to do an unboxing of this order that I have placed and that I've got. Everything I paid for myself, as you can see right there, is the order that I have just received. And I opened it up and I saw the packaging and everything. I was like, no, I have to bring everyone along for this because I am super excited about this. So I want to show you what I got. The reason why I want to show you is because it's going to be stuff that you're going to be seeing in future videos. So hopefully you're just as excited to see what's in this box as I am. So as I mentioned, here's the box. This box is from Griot's Garage. So we got a lot of goodies in here. Like I mentioned, I accidentally cut the tape. I have not pulled anything out. Let's get in this box. Let's see what's in here. When I opened it up, my first thoughts were this packaging I was very impressed with. I've always heard they have amazing packaging, so this is actually my first order from Griot's. This is the first order I've put in from them. Got a lot of cool, exciting stuff in here. So that was another reason why I was like, I've never ordered from Griot's, so I need to show this. So the packaging is definitely top notch. Lots of paper packing everything in here securely. So as you can see here, this box is full of a lot of stuff. And I'm trying to think where to begin first. So, actually, I see the sprayer nozzle. So the first thing I want to show is I picked up the Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 Wax. I've been seeing a lot of reviews. I've heard some really good stuff on this. So I wanted to pick it up as well. So I went ahead, threw this in the order. It is an SiO2 technology. So be ready for some torture tests and reviews on this product as well. Thought it was kind of nice how they had it wrapped up in here. Next thing we got in here is a t-shirt. So basically, I'll pull the next stuff out. I want to see this t-shirt though. This was part of a kit. So, Griot's Garage. And then on the back, Boss Best of Show System with their Boss Polisher. Very cool shirt. I will definitely be wearing that shirt with some pride. So this I purchased separately. This is a 5-inch backing plate. It is their Boss system. Also picked up some 5.5-inch pads, some microfiber Boss pads. I have been hearing a lot of rave about these pads. I got to use them for myself. I got to see how good they are. There's a big box right in front. I don't want to get to it just yet. So the backing plate and the microfiber pads and the 3-in-1 wax, I bought those separately, put them in. The rest of this is a kit. Hopefully when I get this video up, they still have some of these kits available. They are on sale. They are a price you cannot beat. So I had to get one for myself. We will pull out this first package here. I love how everything's individually packaged in these little packages. That is very cool to me. We'll open this up. We have a huge 35-ounce microfiber and foam pad cleaner. Definitely going to come in very handy. Then we also have the foam pad conditioning brush. Very unique style, but I think that would be that'd be very comfortable in the hand. And then we have some of the Griot's Garage Ultra Premium Microfiber PFM Terry Weave towels. It's a set of two, a 16-inch by 16 inches, the size of each one. I've used one of their towels. Thanks to Fab Automotive Detailing, he did send it out to me. I was very impressed with it. So this package of towels was in this kit as well. Super excited for these, to try these out. And then we got a bottle of the Fast Correcting Cream. I'm going to set these right here. The Correcting Cream. It's kind of funny, I'm pulling these out in order. Can we get the next one? Nope. Finishing Sealant. And their Perfecting Cream. So we got the Fast Correcting, the Correcting, the Perfecting, and the Finishing Sealant. These are all their Boss creams. I purchased a Fast Correcting Cream. I didn't get it from Griot's, but I do have the Fast Correcting Cream. I got it from Detailed Image. This stuff I absolutely love, so I cannot wait having the full set of the Boss creams at my disposal now. Super excited about that. So I go ahead and tip the camera up a little bit because I need to have my face in here. It needs to be so you can see me as well. We'll keep going on. So we got a huge package here, and these are all 6-inch Let's open it up. They're all 6-inch microfiber pads, and I believe there is a, not microfiber, foam pads. I believe there is a microfiber pad. So we have a package of 2 fast correcting pads. These are the 6.5-inch pads. Same thing, set of 2 Boss correcting foam pads. The 6.5-inch perfecting foam pads. 6.5-inch microfiber pads. The 6-inch Interflex pad, so that's just you add that between your backing plate and your pads for more of a flex. Super cool. And then we have 6.5-inch finishing foam pads. So those are all their Boss pads, all their foam pads and microfiber pads in the 6.5-inch, which will be really nice for your big surfaces. And I can't believe having all these pads in the kit. So this is definitely going to get my pad collection built up where I need it to be. Then the next thing in here is, I've been super excited about this, I wanted to check it out, is a nice Griot's Garage, big old bag, lid, zipper, pockets inside to hold everything, super, super nice. There is a strap in here to hold in the next thing that's in this box. And I'm sure when you saw the t-shirt you already knew, but we're going to pull that out next. This bag is a very heavy fabric. It's got pockets on the outside even. Very impressed with it. I did see there's a shoulder strap. And you also have just carrying handles. Really, really cool bag. Super excited about that to keep everything in. So I know exactly where it's at when I need it. And the next thing that we got in here that I'm super excited for, beyond excited for, we have the Boss G21. So this is their 6-inch machine, 21mm throw, so it is a long throw polisher. That's why I got the 5-inch plate, so I can run 5-inch or 6-inch pads on it. This machine is going to be awesome. We're definitely going to get out of the box and check it out. But there's a few more things in here. So there is a 2020 calendar they threw in. So that is also really cool that they threw a calendar in. Had no clue that they were going to do that. And then a book to spend more money on Griots. No, super excited that I got a book so I can check out all their products without having to get online or on my phone. Really cool there. Then we got a free 35-ounce spray-on car wash on orders $25 or more. So we'll be putting in another order. And then right here's the invoice. Don't want to show too much of that. So here is the G21. I've heard a lot of good things about this machine. I am super excited to have it myself. Let's open this thing up. Let's check it out. See what's inside the box. It's got this nice sleeve. Talks about everything on the back. Shows all their polishes. Very, very cool. Professional packaging on all of this. Very impressed with it. Real quick on these pads, the buffing pads. Really cool. They're in a resealable bag. You actually have to rip the top open to get to the seal. Really like the bag. The packaging on all this is top notch. Really, really like it. The box is really cool. Shows the polisher. Have fun in your garage. That's what we're planning on doing. The Boss Performance Control Comfort. That's super cool on this lid. So I'm going to tip the camera down a bit so we can see this a little bit better. So on the lid, it's showing the polisher on it, and it's got little marks showing everything on it, which is really cool. Inside here is a nice breakdown of the machine. Actually, wow. So this opens up, it's like a big brochure showing the creams, the pads, the machine, your most aggressive to your least aggressive. So a breakdown chart, really, really cool. Definitely gonna hang that up in the garage. I like that a lot. That's what I mean. This packaging, I am very, very impressed with. So we got a cool little bag here with a Griot's Garage logo in the top corner. A nice little reinforced bag. Inside of here we've got spare brushes, which are always good and handy to have. Washers for the washer mod. We've got silicone grease. And we have, that's pretty impressive, it's actually got a ball head Allen wrench. Normally you just get a regular Allen wrench. It does not have a ball head. So very cool. That's all in this little package. Keeps it all together so you know exactly where it's at. Really dig that a lot. We have instructions, warranty. Very cool thing with Griots is they got warranties on their polishers, lifetime warranties, limited lifetime warranties. Super cool, like that a lot. And now for what I've been super excited and waiting for. Extremely long cord, very heavy duty. Got a nice Velcro strap to keep it all wound up. This is absolutely awesome. I love everything that they've done. Everything, just little things from a Velcro strap on a cord to keep that cord nice and neat when you're putting your polisher up, when you're carrying it in your bag. I can't say enough. I'm very, very impressed with this. So in the box, here is the polisher. And first impression, picking it up out of the box, just has a plastic sleeve over it. First impression picking this thing up is, for me, the weight compared to my Porter cable, this thing is super light. Love it. It's got a nice platypus head on it for holding it. Nice handle right there with the trigger. You got the lock for your cruise control. Speed dial right here at your thumb. 1 all the way up to 6. Nice tactile feel. You can hear it clicking. This is a very, very nice quality feeling machine. It's got nice rubber grip on the top, on the handle, underneath, on top of the platypus head, on the bottom of it. Everywhere you grab this machine, it's got nice grip to it. It feels great in the hands. I cannot wait to get a detail to put this thing to use. We're going to be trying this out on the test panel, getting my thoughts on it. But I am super, super excited, very happy, love the way that this polisher feels in the hands. It's got a very nice end on the cord here to help the cord from bending and not breaking off in the handle, and a super long cord. I can't get over this, super excited, really, really happy. So hopefully you guys like the unboxing of all the stuff that I got. And there's nothing else in the box for the polisher. But that is everything that was in my Griot's order that literally just showed up. So I just want to show the bag here. I've got the polisher in there, strapped in, holds all 4 bottles. Got the bag with the toolkit for the polisher, the backing plate. I just threw in some microfiber pads, just kind of curious. You're not going to leave them in the package like that. Possibly, maybe. Also threw my towels in here. This bag is extremely nice. I like this bag a lot. I love how it self-contains everything in it. It's going to make everything so much easier. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that unboxing. I am like super, super excited about it. Got some more products, got a new machine, got all kinds of stuff to try out. It's going to be stuff we're going to be seeing on the channel, so hopefully you're as excited as I am about it. It's just, I love getting new detailing products to try out, make videos on, and then also use to detail people's cars. It's just, the detailing world is awesome, it's fun, it's amazing, as you guys know, and that's why you follow along, and thank you so much for that. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. Drop a comment down below what you think of everything, videos that you would like to see. I will do my best to make them. And remember to smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you can stay up to date on all my future videos. And with all your support is greatly appreciated. But I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.